Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Firebase and your Android project. Create a Firebase project and enable cloud messaging, then download Google services. JSON into your apps folder. Once done, open Android Studio and apply the Google Services plugin in Build. Gradle and set min SDK and Android X configurations so dependencies will compile. Next, add the Firebase BOM and Firebase messaging dependency in the module build. Gradle to lock compatible versions. Sync the project to fetch libraries and confirm there are no unresolved symbols before proceeding. Now implement the messaging layer by creating a Firebase messaging service subclass and overriding on new token and on message received. In on new token, make a secure API call to your backend to register the token so you can target this client. This ensures acceptable delivery. In on message received, distinguish data versus notification payloads and construct a notification compat with channel, icon, priority, and pending intent so it behaves correctly on modern Android. Make sure to declare the service in Android manifest with the appropriate intent filter. Finish by configuring notification channels for Android O and above. Create channels with an importance level, sound, vibration, and group settings so users can control behavior. Then test delivery by sending messages from the Firebase console or your server using the device token. Test foreground and background flows and confirm click actions open the right activity. If notifications don't appear, check Logcat for token errors and HTTP responses. As a troubleshooting tip, clear app data, uninstall/reinstall the app to force token refresh and re-register with your backend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.